Today is a special day. We are going to bake a delicious treat. Add the ingredients: flour, sugar, butter, egg, milk. Mix all the ingredients with a spoon. Choose a baking pan. Put in the cake batter. Put in the cake. Now you can decorate your cake. Chocolate icing. Add your favorite toppings: chocolate cookies, vanilla cookies, Billy, Elliot, Lisa. Add your favorite toppings: chocolate sprinkles, chocolate cookie, white chocolate, chocolate. Add your favorite toppings. Add your favorite toppings. Add your favorite toppings: cookie. Add your favorite toppings: chocolate sprinkles,